Hello there and welcome back. Francois from howtobecomemore.com. Welcome to Tips to Improve and Increase a Better Living for You. Today, 5 tips to boost your productivity each and every day. Number 1, stop multitasking. We think that doing many things at the same time is going to be great. Well, listen, if you're doing 5 things and only 20% of them, you're going to say, wow, I did 5 times 20, 100%. But basically, you only did 20% of it. Therefore, let's stop fooling ourselves. Stop multitasking. Take one task and do it till the end. You're going to see how much momentum you got. When you check it off, your to-do list is fantastic. Number 2, take some breaks to recharge. Being burnt out is not going to serve you nor anybody else. It doesn't need to be an hour break. It could be a small break. It could be relaxing, just a deep breath, something to recharge. Number 3, chunk it down into smaller tasks. If there's a big thing that you have there, your productivity is going to slow down because it seems unsurmountable. Chunking it down into smaller tasks will surely help you and serve you better. Also, number 4, take care of the biggest tasks when you're most alert. When you're alert, it doesn't matter. Some people are morning people, some people are afternoon people, some people are night people. That's okay. Just find out which one you are and tackle the biggest task when you're most alert. By doing so, you're going to get and accomplish so much more. Then my last tip is a special one. Implement the 1-minute rule. What do I mean by that? Whenever you're doing a project and you're working on it, and then once you're finishing that project, because the time is to do something else, take a pen and paper, maybe even a sticky note or a digital note, and write down what is it that you've done so far, where you're at, and what needs to be done next. That takes 1 minute to do. The benefit, the next time you open that file or you get to that work again, you're going to be able to hit the ground running just like that because you have taken the time to look at those notes and implement them. That 1 minute task is going to save you hours. You're going to hit the ground running right away. Instead of taking 5, 10, 20 minutes, they say, whenever we re-immerse ourselves back into a project, it takes up to 20 minutes. With this, boom, hit the ground running. 5 tips to boost your productivity every day. Stop multitasking, take some breaks and recharge, chunk it down into smaller paces, and then take care of the biggest task when you are most alert and implement the 1-minute rule. As you do this, you'll be feeling fantastic and accomplish so much more, boosting your daily productivity. And there you have it, tips to improve the quality of your life. If you haven't already done so, subscribe and ring the bell so you can be notified whenever one of those great videos are coming. Small, short videos to help you improve your life. Share them with others, and so make it a great day. Until next time, I appreciate everything that you do, and come back again. Have a good one.